Beyond the door dimensions, there are other factors that significantly affect the hinge performance. Accessories installed on the door have a direct impact on the hinge performance. With an upper door closer, 3 hinges are required.
The door closer should always be adjusted to the minimum force necessary for a proper operation. Its excessive closing force can reduce the service life of the hinges.
When a door stop or a drop-down seal is installed, 3 hinges are required.
The door stop should be installed as far as possible from the door's pivot axis.
The drop-down seal should be adjusted only as much as necessary to avoid unnecessary loads on the hinges. The door's installation environment is also a key factor. In public buildings with frequent opening and closing cycles, it is always advisable to choose hinges with higher performance ratings. Our hinges are tested in accordance with the European and international standards. The tests verify functional durability, fire resistance, corrosion resistance, and CE compliance.
It is important to remember that each certification is only valid under the conditions in which it was tested. Adding an extra hinge does not automatically increase the certified load capacity.
Choosing the right hinge means ensuring safety, reliability, and long-lasting performance. That is why every hinge is tested on certified test benches. See you next time!